now talk about the contributing factors behind this fall and some of the stocks that have been the biggest losers in all of this. Hormaz is here. Hormaz, as they say, what goes up must come down. The coming down part is usually a little painful. That's exactly what's happening right now. Tell us, what is your research, all that data analysis, what has it thrown up on this fall?
Painful indeed, and the euphoria has suddenly turned into a lot of pain and counting as we speak, as the broader markets are extending their losses. And the small cap index in particular is the third day of losses for that small cap index, and it's down. It's seen 3 consecutive sessions now of 2% fall each in a single day, and down over 1,200 points now in the last 3 trading sessions. Among the top losers on the small cap index, there is one IIFL Finance, which is an outlier because of the news flow driven decline that it has seen. But besides that, you have stocks like SJVN, Angel One, NBCC, Phenolics Cables, Suzlon. All of them have corrected anywhere between 25 to 30% from that 8th of February peak which the small cap index had made. And since then, these stocks are the top losers on that small cap index. Now, if you take a look at these stocks on a standalone basis from their own respective peaks, that the correction is even worse. Because SJVN has corrected nearly 40% now from its peak. Angel One is down almost 36%. NBCC is also down 37%. Phenolics and Suzlon are also down between 25 to 30% from their respective peaks as well. Now, the mid-cap index was relatively steady until at least yesterday, but even now this has got swept under the fall as well. Now, that is also down over 5% from that February 8 peak that it made of close to 50,000. In these names, you have mostly the news flow driven stocks. Yes Bank, there is Paytm, there is Z Entertainment, there is IRFC, and there is Aditya Birla Fashion. All of them having corrected anywhere between 20 to 30% as well. Now, if you take a look at those from their respective peaks, Paytm, of course, it had made a high of close to 1,000 rupees, but since then it's down 65% from that peak. Z Entertainment has also halved from its peak. The IRFC is down 35%, Aditya Birla Fashion another 20%, and Yes Bank is down 30% as well. But I'd like to single out 2 names here, and that is REC and PFC. And why is that so? Because those 2 stocks were the best performers on the PSU index in 2023 with gains of over 200%, and those stocks also have corrected anywhere between 12 to 15% from their respective peaks as well. So the sell-off continues, 20 to 30% fall and counting as we speak.
Okay, thank you very much for that. Mitesh is back with us.